Hello, my name is Emerson Paiva from Federal University of Itajubá, Brazil, and I will present the work titled Simulation on Home Healthcare Problem, a Systematic Literature Review, developed with the assistance of Professor Ana Rocha from the University of Minho, Portugal. This work is part of a research project that is being developed at the postdoctoral level. The home healthcare problem can be described as the daily schedule of specific care teams, the number of professionals and their required skills, ensuring the balanced workload for their members. It involves specifying optimal routes for dynamic and efficient care, maximizing the number of visits while minimizing overall costs and wait times for care teams and patients. Mathematical optimization is represented by a model consisting of design variables arranged in a mathematical function which represent the desired objective. This function is subject to a certain number of constants, and this model is then solved through the implementation of an optimization algorithm. In the simulation approach, the optimization process of a mathematical model occurs in the same way. However, before a possible implementation, a scenario can be evaluated with the proposed solution. This helps anticipate possible undesirable behaviors, making the decision-making process more accurate and minimizing unnecessary risks and costs. In this work, a systematic literature review is carried out to determine whether simulation techniques have been applied in the optimization of the home healthcare route and scheduling problem. The criteria for selecting articles were as follows: period 2010 to 2023, databases, scopes, and Web of Science, terms, simulation, scheduling, home health asterisks. The chart displays the volume of publication per year within the study period. The table 1 presents the characteristics of interest of the selected articles, and we can observe a predominance of Monte Carlo simulation as the type of simulation, Simplex as the solution tool, and regard algorithms, evolutionary ones, the preferred in most cases. Corroborating what was previously stated, we can observe that Monte Carlo simulation is the most recurrent simulation technique with 40%. 10% use the static simulation and 10% use a scenario-based approach. Furthermore, few works use commercial simulation tools and discrete event simulation. Only 22% of the articles deal with the use of commercial simulation software. Specifically, only the software Simulate, Netlog, AnyLogic, and Excel were mentioned. In terms of solver, 22.2% of the works present mathematical models developed in Simplex, 11.1% present models developed in Grob, and 11.1% in Lingo. Other tools such as MATLAB, OptQuest, and languages like Python and Java were also mentioned as optimization tools. In terms of algorithms, 35.3% of the works indicate of the use of evolutionary algorithms, 11.8% use Lingo, and 35.3% present combined approach of different algorithms. Based on this data, we can conclude that the number of the papers regarding simulation applied to home health care is scarce, which may represent a research gap to explore. Among the selected works, the use of Monte Carlo simulation stands out primarily applying to improve the quality of input data and evaluate the results of the approaches. The application of simulation to home healthcare problems is an area to research to be explored, especially considering simulation aspects such as discrete event simulation or queue theory, among others. These are the references used for this presentation. We would like to thank everyone for their attention and the supporting institution for this research, FCT, Fundação para Ciência e Tecnologia, GECPROD, Grupo de Estudos em Qualidade e Produtividade, Unifei, and CNPq, Conselho Nacional de Desenvolvimento Científico e Tecnológico. Thank you.